Hello there and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I will show you how to make an herbicide at home. In this production, I'll be showing you how to make herbicide from simple materials that are readily available in our homes. But before then, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing so that we get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. Herbicide, which is used for killing unwanted plants in our farms, gardens and home environment, can be made from the following materials. These are water, table salt and liquid soap. Now, for a standard quality production of herbicide, let's establish the quantity of materials required. Water 1 liter, table salt 300 gram and liquid soap 100 ml. Now these are the materials. This is water, this is table salt and this is liquid soap. Now, in no particular order, mix the two substances in water, that is the salt and liquid soap. Now a precipitate is evolved. Keep stirring the solution until the precipitate disappears, or better still, you can just filter the solution. Now fill your sprayer and you can start spraying your garden or farm. If you're using it for farm, you need a bigger sprayer. So thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/@sunshineresources_SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.